Good afternoon, and thank you so much, everyone. So let's convert to the date-related problem. I got it in the system. So let me show how should I fix this error. So instead of going to take a time, let's do quickly. In any questions, just paste on the chat. We'll try to answer the questions. Okay. So what happened today? We are going to create the calendar in Power BI, but the problem is that it don't have a date as per the up to the date. So means date has a different structure. Let me show you. If anyone watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe channel. Okay. See this, in this data, the date is totally different format. If I'm going to show you, here 2019 we update, but here see this. We have a different kind of date available that is not going to solve my problem. So how should I fix this? When we are going to upload this data in Power BI, let me close this one. So you will get a problem. The problem is that data doesn't come as intended. See this. But now we need to create the calendar for it, and see this date we have. So we have fixed it. Let's duplicate it. I wanted to create the calendar, so we will get a challenges for it. Since we have already created that, so let's create the new calendar. And now let me show you. So suppose here I have a date. Okay, so just go to the date column only. Instead of date, all column I want you to remove it. So just remove other column. Means मैंने जो duplicate create किया है, and then after मैंने जितने भी column थे हटा दिया. Then I'm going to remove the duplicate from the row level 2. So I remove the duplicate as well. Okay. Now I need min and max date. Then I'm going to face the challenge here, guys, because whenever you're going to pass the formula, it will give this kind of error. Let me show you that how should I do that. So I wanted to add the new column here so that I can pass the minimum and maximum date, because here we don't have a sequence date. In calendar we need a sequence date. So let's find the min date. So min date prospect, we need to use function list and min. There is a function in Power Query. list dot min. Whenever I'm going to pass this, say this, it gives the error. We don't have good luck. See this, what happened. So how should I fix this? So we are going to do some very interesting part. So let me show you. Slightly changes required, guys. In your query, just do one thing. Here I am going to pass the change type. So where do you get the change type? Come to the home, advanced editor, and usually happens. If you don't have, don't worry, just copy this one. Same way you can copy. If you don't have, you can create here, and just like suppose just click on here and you just create that. Okay, come to the here and change type is date. So just select the date. Okay, so automatically it will create it. Okay, but right now don't need that. Let's remove it and come to the column which I created that, and I see before date, just paste that and press OK. Let's see what happens. See this, all minimum date is coming. Obviously, if you wanted to create the calendar, then you need the minimum and maximum to create the range. So first part is done. Next one is that I need max date. So same way I need to create the max date. So add column, max date, and then list dot max. One of the candidate asked me that how should I fix this problem. So I just called the solution. Let me pass it to you guys so that you can learn. Ultimate object is this, and then before the date column, just paste the change type and space and close the bracket. That's it. Automatically your date will be fixed. So now see this here, min and max date we have on place. Now change to the date type to be date. I don't need these three. We can say I don't need three column once we create the all sequence. So how should I do that? So come to the here, and we need to change the date. Obviously you can pass whatever level you want. Then there is a function name. Oh, obviously, if you wanted to have any, if you're looking for any specific range and all, means repetitive things, listing things, we can say array. So array is a good word for it. So use always bracket. I don't know in English, so it's middle bracket, and then number dot from is a function, and then bracket open, pass the min date. Either maybe you can take the max date or min date, whatever suits for you. Then space number dot from bracket open max date and close the bracket. Okay. Now I am getting the error just because I am making a mistake somewhere. Let me show the error. Number means this one is give the error, correct? Number dot from max date. No, I think I given the correct one. Okay, let me check. Okay, meanwhile, if you have any questions, paste in the chat. We'll try to answer your question, okay? So here we number from, oh, 2 dot must pass it. So let's pass the 2 dot here. Okay, and now it will going to create the range for you, okay? Anyone have any question, let me know. Now see, the list is up here. I don't want right now these 3 columns, just remove this one and right click, remove. Okay, let's select this one and remove other column. So this one can be saved, rest one has been deleted. Now my date is come to the up to the mark, and now this is going to create as a date here. So see this one have a Jan to December 3rd. All data we have, we must load it, then you will get all data. So this way you can create your all sequence calendar in Power Query. So hope this will be enjoyed to you. Please let me know if you don't understand. If you have any question, if you have a group, just paste in the question. We'll try to answer the question. Further details, we are going to create a shortly new dashboard, and we'll discuss in the more in dashboard. Thank you so much for watching my channel. See you.